Also known as Saint Ignatius, Ignatius of Antioch was an apostolic father of early Christianity. He was among the Christian leaders living at the end of the 1st century and the beginning of the 2nd who were in direct contact with Jesus' apostles. He was the Bishop of Antioch, an ecclesiastical office that had once been held by St. Peter and a disciple of John the Evangelist. Ignatius was born during a very tumultuous period in the history of the early Church, when Christians were often persecuted by the Roman Empire. He is believed to have been born around 35 AD and died around 107 AD. During the reign of Emperor Trajan, he was probably arrested and sent to Rome to be executed. While on his journey, he wrote numerous important epistles, which are some of the first major pieces of Christian literature following the New Testament. These letters were sent to Christian communities. The Romans sentenced the Bishop of Antioch to the beasts, i.e., he was condemned to be eaten alive by wild animals. This punishment was meant to amuse the Roman plebs and deter them from converting to Christianity. St. Ignatius's martyrdom story is truly remarkable. Ignatius is said to have accepted his fate heroically, viewing martyrdom as a means of uniting himself completely to Christ. His death was regarded as a powerful testimony to his faith and an inspiration to other Christian communities who were facing persecution. Ignatius of Antioch is revered as a saint by both the Catholic and Orthodox churches, and his liturgical feast is celebrated on October 17th by the Catholic Church and on December 20th by the Orthodox churches.